Alrighty, let's get to it. The first thing we're going to do is preheat the oven to 420 degrees, which I already did that. Check. Now we're just going to wash our potatoes. Sweet potatoes, just going to wash them in here. Give them a good scrub. That's all it takes. Give them a poke. Being careful not to stab the finger here. So we're just gonna drizzle some olive oil on them, and then we're gonna put them in the oven for 45 minutes. We're gonna warm this pan up on medium heat. Turn this heat down a little bit. In the meantime, we're just gonna cut up everything else. Onion in now. Not spill on the side. We're just gonna stir everything up as well all at once. Okay, now that is simmering. It's looking good. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna add the kale to this. We're gonna give that a mix. Our black beans, and then we will put the seasoning and the tomatoes too. And then we're gonna put the full juice of the other one. I probably did not need that other cup of water in here. Just like that. Okay. Now we're gonna put some chili powder. Sriracha all-purpose spice. Put a little bit of that in here. 1.5 cups of tomato sauce. So we'll put the lime in a few minutes in here. Dang, what a big dish. What a big dish. Now, just gonna cook this until it thickens for a few more minutes. Okay, now we're gonna put our lime up in here. Careful not to cut yourselves. We're gonna squeeze our lime in this, both of them, and then we'll give it another mix. We're also gonna put some more of that chili powder, all-purpose spice on here. Give it another stir. Look. Yeah, it feels like it can use a little bit more time because the deeper I go, it's pretty hard. We'll give it a little bit more time so it could get very soft. Just so you know, I do love the crispiness underneath this. Haha, look at that. That's okay because I turn the temperature high. Underneath it, some parts are crispy, and that's just how I love it. Look at it. Look at that. Oh my god. I love it. I love it. Probably best though if we put some butter in these. Just gonna smash it up. And yes, the skin is very good. And then we'll cut it in here. Oh my god, these are thick potatoes. So thick. Thick like a plum. Now it's time to start putting this deliciousness on top, just like that. Aha. Let me know if you guys would actually try this, because it's pretty good. Or minus the kale. I was feeling a lot of people would not like the kale in this, but everything else is okay. Either way, I like it all. We're gonna let this actually sit out for a little bit before we even put it away, because it needs to cool down. Just like that, we've got 5 days worth of meals right here. Nice and delicious, beautiful goodies right here. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like. Thank you for watching. Remember to eat good, stay fit, feel good, do good. Peace, y'all.